Morning, sir.
Hey, hi, good morning. Have you started practicing the system?
Yes, sir, but I'm lagging some more classes.
Okay, okay. So actually we discussed last 2 days transformations. All these options we have discussed it till now. Okay, direct assignment, no transformation, constant, formula and routine. So this is very, very important. They will ask you in the interview. Even yesterday, they were asking same question. How many types of rule types? What are those? Okay, this is final one. Read master data. So we will read data from the master data while you are loading the transactional data. So this we did in the BW HANA, but while opening the data, it is going to dump. Okay, fine. So in the BW4 HANA loaded. Okay, in the BW4 HANA loaded. I will show you. I heard this interview question as well. What is the T code in the BW4 HANA? New T codes, RSMNG. You need to tell RSMNG. Sorry. Yesterday loaded here. We have loaded in this. Go on. I can see here in the inbound table level. This is the master data we loaded yesterday. So I'm trying to know what exactly read master data will do. Example, we are loading data from source to target. We are loading from source to target. This is the source. Okay. In the source level, we have a material. Okay. This is the target. Target. So in the target level, we have a material and material type, material category, material group. Like this we have. So while I'm loading data from material to material, okay, while I'm loading material to material, so once material is matching with the PLOOKUP. So whatever I have loaded, this is the master data. So while you are loading the data, if same material comes, if this material is come, because it is already available in the master data, GMAT 3 to 1. Once it is matching, then it will update material type and material group. This is what I explained yesterday. Okay. So now I need to load the transactional data. Let's see, okay, how it will go. Or else I will write the code as well. And then, okay. You know, right, how to log in BW4HANA. This is only. First, we will go to prospective. In the desktop, you need to click on HANA Studio. This is the HANA Studio. Once you double click, this screen will come. Okay. Then you need to expand this option. Once you log in system, then you will come to know. Yesterday we created. So yesterday, this is we created master data, and we will add one data source. We already loaded. No, we have one flat file data source, right? Yesterday we created one master data source. What is that? Okay. ZMAT DSMD. This is flat file. So we already loaded. We'll create new ADSO. I'll keep here. I'll select this as a characteristic. Okay, and I will make this as a key and activating. Okay, and then from here also I will load to this data source. So this data source I will use into my new flow, which we are loading data from S4HANA. There we will do the lookup. So these are the main rules, okay? So automatically it is mapped it. Very simple for creating a flow in the BW4HANA, very simple. We are loading the data. So we loaded, yeah, 6 records came and I'm activating it. Yeah, so now if you want to see the data, and now you can go to right click and you can go to in active table as well and execute it. So these are the materials. These are the materials and this is the material type, material group, material category. So fine. Now what I will do, okay, just activate this data flow. Just remember this DSO name, okay? What is the DSO name? And GMD, this one, right? GMD test. Okay. So I'm copying here. So you think like this is like a lookup table, okay? You think like this is lookup table. Lookup table. Okay. Lookup table. And yeah, so now what we will do, go to data flow and fine, this is fine. We'll close this option. Okay, whatever we create, other options. So I want to load one data load source, from source. We already created that flow. We'll see. So I want to load data from S4 HANA to BW4 HANA. Okay. In this, which data I will load? Okay. 2LIS underscore 11 underscore VA. This is sales order, right? Sales order. So while you are loading material, once it is matching same material with this ZMD tester, then it will update metal group and metal category, metal type. Okay. That is why we are calling as this is lookup. While we are loading data S4 HANA to BW4 HANA, it will look into this table. Same metal is available, then update metal group, metal type. If the same metal is not available in this, then it will not update. Okay, now, so here I am creating. Okay, go to rules. So where is the material here? Matner here. We have a material. And then MAT. Yeah, you can see here. Metal group is MAT here. Metal group is there, okay? Is it mapped, metal group? MATKL. Okay, metal. Okay, then what I will do? Here I need to remove this. I need to remove this option. Actually, last time we faced the issue. I'll drop, okay? This will have more weight. Okay, now I will check into here. Go to rules. Do we have any code here? We written code, right? No, fine. MATKL, right? I didn't map it. Fine. Okay, we didn't map it. About material. Metal group, okay. What is metal type? This point clear. So I see whatever we loaded GMD test. This is the lookup table, bro. This is lookup table. So for the lookup table, see while we are loading material and metal group has to update from this lookup table whenever metal is matching. This is taking like a lookup object and we need to map the field as well. See here. When metal is matching, then metal group has to update. Okay. This is what we do. And now activate it. What is this? Assignment field is we already mapped, right? Somehow it is not working, okay? Basically, this is the way we will do it. So even real time also will do same thing, okay? Don't know, throwing error. Okay, I will show you through logic, ABAP logic. Same thing it will, we can write it, okay? So how we will write that I will show you. So this is throwing. We are following same only. Okay, let me, okay, we will discuss this point in later point, okay? So fine, this is the way we will do it, okay? In the old version I shown you, but there while showing the data, it is having some issue. So example, we have, we'll try in BW4 HANA. Example, will load data here. Already existing data will take it, okay? Create one area, so simple. This is old version, okay? Read master data. So it is not taking. Okay, now I will take material. No, this is not. Gmat underscore 321. See, again, we need to create again a new info object. So it will take time, okay? We'll do one thing. I will go for DTP and I will, whenever I get time, I will explain you in the last class. So remember me this point, okay? Read master data. Okay? Park it. I mean, I need to show you direct update areas for direct update areas for and read master data. Then the last. Why we have to waste time? Okay, now we will go to the DTP. Okay, data transfer process. Data transfer process. So basically, so we will call as a DTP. DTP. So the name itself we have data, data transfer, data transfer process. Okay, data transfer process. So once you create transformation, without DTP, we cannot load the data. Remember this point, without DTP, we cannot load the data. We cannot load the data one place to another place. In BW4 HANA. Okay, for example, if you want to load data S4 HANA to BW, it is not possible without DTP. Without DTP, it is not possible. I want to load one ADSO to another ADSO. So we need DTP. Without DTP, we cannot load. Okay, and DTPs are four types. These DTPs are four types. One DTP is standard DTP. Standard DTP. This is by default will create. By default will create. No need to select. By default it will create. 99% will use this one. And next one is error DTP. So whenever you are facing errors, then only we will use error DTP. Example, while you are loading data, okay, in the source level, we have 1,000 records. So 999 is the valid records, one is error record. So error record where it will store. Example, I am loading one ADSO to another ADSO. So here we having 1,000 records. 1,000 records. I am loading into 9,000 records only. One record stored in the error stock. When you have error record, then it will show in the error stock. See, this name is error DTP. This name is error stock. Okay, if it is a valid, where it is going to sit in this DSO only, right? Target only. So in the target level, we have active table. Okay, that is space, right? Active table means that is space. It will show data, but error DTP where it will sit. Error records. It will not sit in the inbound table. It will not sit in the. It will not sit in the active table. Where is the place to sit? So error records will have place to sit in the error stack level. Okay. Okay. Error records will have reservation place is error stack level. And this is kind of database for error stacks. when you are loading data from one ADSO to another ADSO, okay, if we have value records, it will store into the active table, inbound table. Okay, if you have any error record, then it will store in the error records will store in the error stock level. Error stock level. So then if you want to process error records, then we need to create the error DTP. We'll see that options will come. Where exactly it will come options. Standard DTP, error DTP, and other one is real-time DTP. Real-time DTP. So till now I didn't create real-time DTP. We didn't use also. So real-time DTP means every 5 seconds it will run. Every 5 seconds it will run. So 24 hours it will continuously running. 24 hours continuously it is running real-time DTP. Okay, that means you are going to DMart and you are buying something and you are loading the data. So immediately whatever you taken transactions happen with the DMart immediately available in the report level because it is continuously running. Okay, that will give like no real-time reporting. Real-time reporting. If you do any transactions in the ATM, immediately that is available in the real time. That means in the bank, okay, for example, okay, in the you went to Axis Bank or SBI Bank ATM, you draw some amount. After 30 minutes only you will get the message. How you will get the message? Immediately, why won't we get message? Immediately data is not loading to target report level. It will take some time to process the data. Okay, so immediately getting means that is real-time reporting. So nowadays we having completely cloud, so we will get like real-time reporting. So by using ODP, we'll get real-time ODP provisioning. Okay, operational data provisioning. We have an option that we will see. Optional data provisioning. By using this option, we'll get real-time data. Okay, see this is real-time reporting. We will use real-time DTP in the old version. And also now direct access. Direct access DTP would be there. Okay, when we have old version. Still we have direct access DTP and this we use in the old version. Virtual provider is there. Virtual provider. This is one type of keep. Okay. We have a keeps four types. Keep four types in the old version. And that is standard DTP. Standard info keep. Sorry, three types only. Standard info keep, real time info keep, virtual provider. So for this virtual provider, we will use this direct access DTP. Okay. So that time we are not loading the data from source system to BW. So by using direct access DTP, okay, directly we will access the ECC data into BW level. No need to load the data, completely virtual. So in that case only this is replaced by BW4HANA OpenODSV. Okay, we will see. Okay, that time we will not use direct access DTP, but by using OpenODSV, we replacing this object virtual provider. We'll see. Next topic will go. Okay, one by one we'll go. First we'll discuss composite provider, then we'll go to OpenODSV. Clear? So we in the interview they will ask you how many types of DTPs. You can say immediately four types of DTPs. Data transfer process. Now, what is the use of data DTP? We are loading data from S4 HANA to BW. S4 HANA to BW4 HANA. Then use DTP. Okay. You are loading data from one ADSO to another ADSO. Then use DTP. Okay. Without DTP, we cannot load the data. We cannot transform the data. See, that much important. Without a transformation, we cannot create DTP. Without transformation, We cannot create DTP. Without transformation, we cannot create DTP. We cannot create DTP. Clear this point. This is very important. Without transformation, we cannot create DTP. What is the transformation? This is the transformation. Go to sample flow. Yeah. Yeah, this one. Without this transformation, we cannot create DTP. We need to create first a transformation, then create the DTP. Otherwise, it won't allow you. Let me show you in the system what are the options will come. So basically, we having three tabs will come for DTP. Three tabs will come. What are the three tabs? Extraction, update, and execute. So when you create DTP, it will have three tabs, okay? So in the three tabs, we have few options. We need to understand it. So by using DTP, we are loading the data from one place to another place, right? Clear this point? We are loading data from one place to another place. So from where to where we are loading? So that information available. Extraction means source information available. Source information available. From where you are loading? Yeah, that information available in extraction tab. And where you are loading? So we will get this information, target information. You are loading from source to target, right? So source information in the extraction and target information in the update tab level. Clear? We are loading data from example ADSO1 and we are loading to ADSO2. Okay, what is the target here? ADSO2 is the target. Sorry. ADSO2 is the target. Okay, ADSO2 is the target. That information available in the update tab. What is the source? Okay, ADSO1 is the source. So this information available. Clear. We are loading data from ADSO1 to 2. Okay, this information available. Okay, in the execute tab, we have a execute. Okay, execute button. Execute button. When you click on this